Sugar, ananas, pineapple. Yes, a little bit, yes. Sugar, kiwi. Drying. For tomorrow. Oh, look at all the dishes. But alright, for the rest it's clear. And what have we got? Whoa, 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 whoa. Ja, het wordt nogal lastig. Let's see. A little one?
Yes, please.
So,
Yeah, that's okay.
let's see how the inside looks.
Oh, it's green.
It's green, yeah. This is pista. No, this is a kiwi. No, yeah, kiwi. Yeah. What maybe. So, first positive things
The
in English.
buttercream is nice,
Yes,
and the chocolate coating is okay,
yes.
and the kiwi is fine too. A little bit thin, but okay. The cake is a little bit. I think it's nice, but jury would say it's a little bit dry.
It's dry.
Yeah,
With the drizzle also.
de onderkant is droog, is fine.
Yes, then it was too long.
And
Yeah, that's. I did it longer because we just have meat from under.
yeah,
So it's the same. Yeah, alright.
but I have already almost finished. So
Yeah.
that says enough. That says
Now I go. This is a little bit.
Yeah,
I knew that.
the cake is a little bit dry.
Yeah. Also with the drizzle on the underside. All right.